Hello there, I'm Amber Uper, and this is Stories from the UP, eh? Today we're back at the gun range in Niagara, Wisconsin again, which is just across the border from where I live in Iron Mountain, Michigan, in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, the UP, eh? Today I have with me an antique rifle that we're going to try firing. This is the Remington rolling block. This particular one was made for the military in Argentina. Argentine military rolling block is the only one that has the hexagon part of the barrel here. Let me walk up there and I'll show you a little better. And you can see the action here. This they call it a rolling block. I had to wait for the car to go by. They call it a rolling block because this is how you load it. This is the hammer. Pull the hammer back all the way. Roll the block back, and there's the I can't think of what it's called. The chamber. Yes, the chamber. I'm terrible. So you put the cartridge in, you put that back up, and then it's ready to fire. And when you fire it, it just hits the primer and away it goes. Now this rifle uses this cartridge. This is the 43 Spanish cartridge. This was first commissioned from Remington by the Spanish military, and it was adopted by a number of South American countries as well. It's called the 43 Spanish because the bullet diameter is .439. It's almost 44 caliber. It's very similar to the 43 Mauser. It's not identical, but it's very similar. And it's also almost identical to the 4477 Sharps cartridge. The only real difference between this and the 4477 is the bullet diameter. The 4477 actually uses a 44 diameter bullet, so like 446 or something like that. But other than that, the cartridges are pretty much identical. I'm pretty sure that that's where the cartridge came from, was the 4477. That came out in like 1867. And this cartridge came out in like 1871 for the Spanish military. So that's what we have for you today. We're going to try shooting this. I don't know if any of this ammo is going to actually work because this is all very old ammo. It's probably 100 years old. I'm guessing it was loaded in the first part of the 20th century, around before World War I. So I don't know if the primers are any good. This has about 75, 76 grains of black powder in it. And the bullet is, I think it's about 380 grains of lead. So we'll see what happens. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and load this up now. I got 5 of these from a dealer at a gun show. So I also have a full box of them. Well, we have 2 full boxes of them loaded by Remington. Of course, you know, Remington rolling block. So we'll see how these work, or if they work. Just stick the cartridge in, push the block up, you're ready to go. That did not go off. We'll try it again. Nope, didn't go off.
You have a dimple?
It's got a big dimple. So, alright, now this is from a box of cartridges that we just bought. This stuff was made probably right around World War I, judging by the label on the box. So we'll see if this goes off. Yes, that one went off. Now how about that? That one shot.
Got a few more.
Let me grab one out of my box. Oh, I have one other gun show find. I'm going to try this one.
I don't think your gun show finds are very good. Here,
These are not going off.
here's one from that one box that you bought.
This is from the box that I just bought. Not part of the same group of the other ones, but these have the older primers, so it may not go off. Yeah, it looks like the primers are bad in those. They got a big dimple in them, and they're
Big,
still bad.
Giant dimple.
We're going to try another one of the newer ones, the 1918, 1920 ones. And that one did not go off.
I see reloading in your future.
Looks like we're going to have to dump the powder out of all of these and reload them because the primers are just bad. They're 100 years old. You don't know if they're going to fire or not. We're going to try another one.
Yeah, you got it.
That one took a measurable amount of time between when the hammer hit the primer and it actually went off. So, and there's
the powder,
case
right?
comes right out. Try another one. You'll notice when I fire it, you get this cloud of white smoke. That's the black powder. You don't get that with smokeless powders normally. That one took even longer to go off. But they're going off, and even offhand, apparently I'm able to hit the pumpkin. This thing's heavy, so it's dancing around. I'm going to try. Right in the mud. I'm going to let Teresa shoot this a couple of times. We'll see how she does with them. That one went off nicely. That one went off nicely. 3 in a row!
3 in a row! Yay!
Yeah!
I even hit it a couple times.
Oh. Nice warm barrel. It's going to be a filthy mess to clean because of the black powder, but that's just the way it goes with black powder. So that's this is the model, the Modelo Argentino 1879 Remington rolling block. Neat old single shot military rifle. Lots of fun to shoot. Not horrible kicking. It's 75, 78 grains of black powder. It gives you a good shove, but it doesn't really bust your shoulder like a 30-06 does. So that's my video for this. Thanks for watching.